Sharks, the ocean's most feared predators, have been roaming our planet's waters for over 400 million years. These fascinating creatures aren't merely monstrous beasts. They are complex organisms with unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in the marine environment. Sharks are characterized by their cartilaginous skeletons, 5 to 7 gill slits, and rows of razor-sharp teeth. Their streamlined bodies help them swim efficiently through water, while their incredible sense of smell allows them to detect prey from miles away. The primary reason for their fearsome reputation is their powerful jaws and rows upon rows of replaceable teeth. Sharks have up to 3,000 teeth in their lifetime, with some species losing and replacing them every few months. This dental apparatus makes them formidable predators that can take down anything from small fish to large marine mammals. One of the most intriguing aspects of sharks is their electro reception ability. Sharks can detect the electrical fields produced by the muscle contractions of other animals, giving them an advantage in low-visibility environments. This ability is particularly useful when hunting for prey in murky waters or at night. Sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. They help control the population of various fish species, keeping them healthy and diverse. Sharks also contribute to nutrient cycling by consuming large amounts of prey and excreting nutrient-rich waste that supports other marine life. Unfortunately, sharks face numerous threats, including overfishing, habitat destruction, and bycatch in commercial fishing operations. Many shark populations have declined significantly, leading to concerns about their long-term survival. To protect these amazing creatures, efforts are being made to conserve and manage shark populations worldwide. Marine protected areas are established to provide safe havens for sharks, while international agreements aim to regulate shark fishing and trade. Sharks continue to inspire awe and fascination in people around the world. Their incredible adaptations, role in the marine ecosystem, and cultural significance make them an essential part of our planet's biodiversity. By supporting conservation efforts and learning more about these incredible creatures, we can ensure that sharks continue to thrive for generations to come.